Hello everyone, welcome back to iGreen Bio. Our student asked me to make a video on gene regulation, molecular basis of inheritance, 12th standard. So we will discuss gene regulation today. Regulation of gene expression. Regulation of gene expression. Yes. What is a gene? A gene is nothing but a sequence of nucleotide in DNA or RNA encoded by a particular character. This character is exhibited out or expressed out. That is nothing but a gene expression. The gene expression is a controlled over. So regulation is nothing but control over. So what about gene expression? That was a controlled over. So that is called as a regulation of the gene expression. The regulation of the gene expression in prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic individuals, it shows a varies. So coming to the eukaryotic individual, in eukaryotes, the regulation, the gene regulation that accepted at 4 levels mostly. So there are 4 stages. In the first stage is, for example, I want to explain about this is a eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cells are that having of the nucleus. The nucleus that control over all the functions in the cell. In the nucleus there is a genetic material. So DNA is there, double stranded DNA. So it is a polarity is a 5th prime and the polarity is a 3rd prime and 5th prime. And 5th prime polarity and 3rd prime polarity. So double stranded DNA. So we call this is a coding strand and it is a template strand. Double stranded DNA. The double stranded is one of the strand in it that proceeds about the transcription process. So that is a template strand. Based on the template strand, a new transcript that is a synthesized here. So that is the first step. So called as a transcriptional level. In the transcriptional level, what will be formed in the transcriptional level based on the template strand? mRNA going to synthesize in this direction. So this is a mRNA is nothing but a primary transcript or based on the template strand, hnRNA is a synthesized. hnRNA is nothing but a pre-mRNA or primary transcript. So in the transcriptional level, primary transcript is a formed. Primary transcript is a nothing but hnRNA. hnRNA is known as a heterogeneous nuclear RNA. Yes, hnRNA is a formed. In the second stage, that will be proceeds is these hnRNA. Yes, now I want to get separated is hnRNA. Yes, this is a hnRNA. These hnRNA having of the split genes like exon, intron, exon. So exon is a nothing but a coding. Introns is a nothing but a non-coding. So the non-coding should be removed. By the action of the endonuclease, the non-coding regions of the introns are removed. So this process is called RNA splicing. So RNA splicing removed. Now the exon, the adjacent part of the exons are joined. Yes, exon joined. This is for the joining is required ligase enzyme is needed. So this process splicing as well as a ligation process, and then after formation of that, this 5th prime, this is the 3rd prime. So it having of the cap formation takes place and the tail formation takes place. So capping, tailing, all that included in this process. So this is the mechanism is known as second process is a during processing. In the during processing, what will be included? RNA splicing, capping, and as well as tailing also. By all these steps, first step and second step, that will be takes place in the nucleus only. This is the nucleus. So under the two process, so this is the structure is nothing but a matured structure. So now this is the structure is called as a mRNA. mRNA. The mRNA production is takes place in the nucleus. Now these mRNA come out from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Now this is the mRNA. It is a single stranded. It is the 5th prime towards cap 3rd prime. So this process is nothing but a transport of mRNA from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. So the third step is transfer of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. After that, the mRNA in the cytoplasm, by support of the ribosomes, it proceeds about translation process to produce about the proteins. So that is the fourth one. This step is a translational level. Translational level. Yes, these are the 4 steps that takes will in the eukaryotic individual. So protein, obviously by the translational level here, polypeptide is found. Polypeptide is nothing but protein. The protein is a cause for exhibiting of a particular character in individual. So coming, this is in eukaryotic individual I said. But what about the prokaryotic individual? The prokaryotic individual, the gene expression is influenced by these many factors. For example, so I will develop about in the prokaryotic individual. Yes. In prokaryotes, gene regulation, it will be influenced by some factors like environmental factors as well as physiological factors and metabolic. So these factors that influence about the gene regulation. So the gene regulation in the prokaryotic individual, it may be in the positive gene regulation as well as in the negative gene regulation. So the gene regulation in the prokaryotic individual will go for that positive gene regulation, and negative gene regulation. Yes, what is a positive gene regulation? For example, this is a segment of the DNA that having of the genes, gene. The gene action, positive gene regulation, that is nothing but the genes remains non-expressive anything. The genes remains non-expressive until they are induced to do it. So in positive regulation, genes remains non-expressive unless they are induced to do it. Yes, these are not expressive. So that is the reason this process, this type of regulation is nothing but a inducible regulation. The inducible regulation is a regularly in the inducible regulation. Normally it is in the off mode. It can be turned on. So normally it was in off mode. The regulation. Off mode or on mode I will explain in the tryptophan operon as well as a lactose operon in the next videos. Off mode can be turned on mode. The best example for that is a sugar, you know, the lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide. So lac-operon example is a lac-operon. Lac-operon is a nothing but lactose operon. The positive gene regulation. So it is an example for the inducible regulation. Coming to the negative gene regulation. So we will write here. Yes, negative gene regulation. In the negative gene regulation, the genes, the same mechanism are want to applied here. This is a segment of DNA. So it is for only for better understanding. Genes are present. The genes are non-expressive, but the genes are expressive. So what about that? Genes continue. The genes continue to express their effect till their action suppressed, till their action or activity suppressed. SUPPRES, suppressed. So this kind of regulation is nothing but a repressible regulation. So this is a what about inducible regulation and which is a repressible regulation. Repressible regulation. The repressible regulation is a normally in the on-off mode. So normally which is a off mode. This is a negative. This is a repressible regulation normally in the on mode. So normally it is in on mode. It can be turned on. So turned on. So who switch off and switch on? A particular factor is there. There is a repressible protein that is binded to the inducer. It make about the action may it gets as an activity that the action may it is induced or controlled. So it is a turned on. Example for it, tryptophan operon. It is a amino acid. Tryptophan operon, as well as histidine operon. It is also amino acid, alpha amino acid. Histidine operon. So what is a operons are? Operon is nothing but in the genetic material like a DNA or RNA, in which many of the functional units are there. This is these are called as operons. We will see operon. What is operon and what are the genes that consist in the operon? We will go for that operon, students. Yes, operon. So regarding that, for example, in the 1961, the name of the scientist is Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod. So experimentally in the E. coli bacteria, they were noticed the genetic material that has many functional units called as operons. So genetic material has many functional units. Many functional units called operons. Yes. This operon, what are the genes are there? Yes, operon. Operon, mostly, it having of many genes, mostly it consists of the minimum of 4 genes. Operon having 4 genes. For example, this is the segment of the DNA. Segment of this structure. It having of the parts or genes are there. This is a promoter genome. So I will develop it making this some line. So promoter genome, regulatory genome, operator genome, and the structural part. This is a structural part, structural genes. Structural. The structural genes the genes that consist of in the lactose operon, it having of the, in the structural part, lactose operon having of the 3 genes like a Z gene, Y gene, A gene. If it is in the tryptophan operon having of the 5 genes are there. 5 genes is a A gene, B gene, C, D, E genes are there. So we will discuss in their relevant concept. Structural part. What are that? This is nothing but a regulator. So operon that having of minimum of 4 genes. What are the minimum of 4 genes? Regulator gene. Regulator gene. And which is a operator gene. Operator gene. And this part is a structural part. So structural. Structural gene. And which is a promoter gene. Promoter. So promoter gene is a, for example, this is a transcription unit. So the promoter gene, this is a place is, yes, this is a site of RNA polymerase binding. So promoter gene is nothing but the place where RNA polymerase enzyme binded. For example, RNA polymerase is binded to initiate transcription process. So it is a promoter gene. But enter the structural part. So the structural gene, the structural part, the structural action that was controlled over by the operator. So operator always controls the structural gene's action. If the operator, structural gene, for example, let me explain some relevant is. For example, this is the unit of operon concept. It is a promoter gene. It is a regulator gene. Regulator gene that senses about inhibitory protein, and as well as operator. And the structural part, this is the structural part, consists of Y gene, Z gene, Y gene, A gene. The Z gene action, Y gene action, A gene action, that was controlled by operator. Operator is always monitor their action. So this action is influenced by the operator, but operator action is influenced by the regulator. So individually in the lactose operon and the tryptophan operon, we will discuss about how the mechanism that takes place. So this is the operon concept, children. So in the next video, we will plan to explain about lactose operon.